Hello everyone. So today I am here with my latest purchase from Maison Francis Cardigan, and right before we get into the video, just quickly subscribe before you forget. And we're going to get right into it. The first thing is it came with an information card for the new Cologne Forte collection, which came out on March 23rd. So I'm very excited to dive into these fragrances, which we will do at a later date. And of course, it came in this signature white MFK box with the beautiful white and gold ribbons on the side. When we open the box, the first thing is it has the gift message in the envelope. I usually like to include a gift message in my packages because it just gives me a nice positive item to look forward to. Of course, my perfumes are positive as well, but I like a message just to give me a little bit of a boost. And this one says, if they say it's impossible, remember that it's impossible for them, not for Fifi. So I usually put these cards on my mood board in my office, which I can just glance at and just gives me that positive reaffirmation as needed. The items came wrapped in this MFK tissue paper with a gold sticker on it, and the package came with two samples, which you get with every purchase from the MFK International site directly from Paris. I got the sample of Oud and Grand Soir, which I cannot wait to try. I've heard a lot about Grand Soir, so I'm very excited to be trying that fragrance. And they were nice enough to include a free sample of their new collection, the Cologne Forte Aqua collection. So I cannot wait to go over that. I will be going over those in the next video just so you guys can see what the notes are and how it smells. Every 200 euro or more purchase on the MFK International site comes with a free deluxe sample or item, and this month was the Gentle Fluidity Gold 5 ml. This perfume I love as well. After this bottle is done, I'm thinking that I'm going to be purchasing a bigger size of that as well. And now we move into the fragrance of the hour, which is the Oud Satin Mood Extract de Parfum. Look at that packaging. This packaging here reminds me of a beautiful building in Abu Dhabi, some luxury building downtown. It is absolutely gorgeous. And when you pull on the tab, the bottle comes right up, and it also includes a message with your package. And the message here reads, "Welcome to the shimmering world of Oud Satin Mood. This fabric-inspired fragrance, composed with oud wood, one of the most expensive natural raw materials in the world, exists as an eau de perfume, an extrait de perfume, and a body range." This perfume here comes in an eau de perfume, but of course, I always like to go all out when I'm getting my fragrances, and I got the extract. So this one should have about between 20 to 40% of perfume in the bottle. This is an absolutely gorgeous gold and dark blue packaging. I'm going to be slowing down the video just so you can even appreciate this bottle even more. I had it engraved with my passport name. This here is a 2.4 fluid ounce bottle, which is a 70 ml, and it's the only bottle it comes in. And honestly, it is the only bottle size that you're going to need, because you only need about 2 sprays with this fragrance, because anything more than that can be overdoing it. 2 sprays on your skin will last you the whole day, and on your clothes, honestly, it's going to last you until the next time you put it into the wash. This is a beautiful fragrance which consists of oud, damask rose, Turkish rose, some vanilla, and amber as well. This bottle here will run you about 290 euros, which luckily includes value added tax, so you don't have to pay any custom duties and taxes. And I think it is absolutely worth it because it will last you a pretty long time. It has great projection, and the scent is just beautiful. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also comment. Let me know what you think about this fragrance. Let me know what you think about this style of video. I'm trying this out for the first time. And also, I would love to know what else you would like me to review in the future. And give me your thoughts on the notes and what you think about this fragrance house. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.